So here's the plan. We're going to replace that with that. That is a switch from Road King, Fat Boy, whatever. It's one of the dash switches that come off. It's got a lock on the inside so you can lock it. So I'm going to build a housing for this to fit in. I bent these all down the copper so that my wires can come straight out. So I'm going to build a little housing similar to the key fob to replace it on my Sportster. So let's finish it up. So I've kind of already got it to the rough dimensions that I want. It's just a big piece of steel. My plan is to make it so that I can slide it in. It's going to catch a lip. Then I'm going to rivet it in. And then I'm going to bring the wires down, bring the outside dimension down to where I want it. And then put it on there. It's a mold. I need a brush. Got a bunch of crap in my way. Alright. Still got a little bit to go. Perfecto. Alright, this is my finished piece that I just milled out. It's this little thing right here. This piece is just going to fit in like that. It's my first fit up. I haven't even tried to fit it up yet. There. So it'll fit in like that. And it'll stick out this side like that. Guess I could have made that a little thicker. That's alright. So it'll stick like that, and I'm going to mount that onto the bike like that. I'm trying to do this damn thing upside down, and it's stupid. There we go. Let's try that. So I'm just going to wire it up, put some rivets on it, let it rip. We'll be back. Here's an update. I've made the switch housing. Give you a better picture of that. Gonna paint it, obviously. So this works nicely. And got my wires done. I pulled off the old ignition. If I can zoom into it. I had to, whoops, sorry about that. The old ignition was right here in this area. Just my finger. Right here in this area. I cut this back a little bit. I ground that off a little bit, and I ground that off a little bit. So now the ignition should fit right in there nicely. And I'm just going to tack weld it right in there. And then we'll put the wires together, because there's my wires. So I'll be back in a minute once I'm done with that. And we'll show you. We're back. It's connected in, welded in, wired up, and works. So now it's on. If I want to lock it, I can do that. Now it's off. Now I don't need a key, just need the fob. Finally. And of course I can bring that up. If I had the key, I can lock it. And then you can't turn this, obviously. So I'm going to paint it up. And then we'll show the end product. That actually turned out pretty darn good. I'm going to put the tank on and see everything. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, there's the finished product. Looks pretty good. I can't get too much closer because the stupid wire doesn't go that far. That's the finished product. Works. Reach it. Turn it. It's on. Now it's off. No key required. Alright. Next will be the paint. Tank. Got the tank already. Fender. Yeah, so I'm figuring out what I'm going to do with the oil tank cover and the other cover yet. But I'll figure it out. Alright. To the next one.